All right, this is Mr. Sinclair again. This is our second video on using the new Google Sites. One of the first things you're going to have to do after you've created your first home page is you're going to have to start making some other pages for all the other aspects of your project. So you're going to go over here to the right, and right now we're just on Insert. We're going to click to Pages, and right now it says we just have our home page. We go down to the plus with a page and add a page. We want to title each one and give it a specific name. One of the things you're going to have to do is your Google Map and Screencast, and that can go together on the same page. As soon as I've typed it, I click Done, and it gives to that page. And as you can see up on the top, there's a home page if I want to go back, and this is our second page. Now, when you go to Insert your map, you're going to click back on Insert, and then we're going to go down on the right again, and you're going to look through. You could go from the drive, but if you go down, they actually have some way to embed maps. So click on your map, and it will go into the maps that you created. You're going to go to not maps, but to My Maps, and then you're going to search for yours. I have a lot, so I have a lot to look through, but I'm just going to grab the first one because I know that's what I'm looking for. And I'm going to hit select, and it will push it in here. One thing you want to do, you see mine says test map. It's easy to find it if you label it correctly. Please don't leave your maps untitled. Now I want to widen this out because I want it to take up the whole page. So I'm going to keep grabbing the blue dots, pulling it out a little bit, and then scrolling down. Now if I want to see what it looks like before I move on, I'm going to come up here to the eyeball, hit preview, and it will click and it'll show me what my web page currently looks like if it was on the web. And there you go. X to exit the preview. And I'm back to my Google Maps.